Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're breaking down a topic that confuses a lot of people. What's the difference between secured and unsecured credit cards? If you're looking to build your credit or just want to understand options, this video is for you. Let's start with the basics. A secured credit card is designed for people who are building or rebuilding their credit. The key feature, you must provide a cash deposit as collateral to open the account. This deposit usually becomes your credit limit. For example, if you put down $200, your limit is $200. The deposit is typically refundable if you pay off your balance and close the account, or if you upgrade to an unsecured card later on. That's usually what happens. It takes a while, but you'll usually get an unsecured credit card for a low amount, maybe $200 or $300. And then if you manage that well, $200 or $300, they'll increase that amount periodically. Secured cards are easier to get if you have little to no credit history, or if your credit score is low. Using a secured card responsibly by making payments on time can help you build a positive credit history. Unsecured credit cards. On the other hand, unsecured credit cards are what most people think of as a regular credit card. No deposit is required. Instead, the bank decides your credit limit based on your credit worthiness, meaning your credit score and history. Unsecured cards usually come with better perks, lower interest rates, and more rewards, but they can be harder to qualify for if your credit isn't great. So check this out. Deposit required. Secured credit card? Yes. Unsecured card? No. Credit limit, usually deposit amount, and then unsecured based on credit history. Easier to qualify for. The secured card? Yes, for low to no credit. Unsecured, yes, for good credit. And your credit history and worthiness, even if you qualify for an unsecured card, affects your interest rate. Remember, we spoke about that in a different video. I'll try to link that somewhere. Rewards, perks. Secured cards, sometimes they get rewards, perks. Unsecured cards frequently builds credit. Secured cards, yes. Unsecured cards, yes. So some things are similar and other things are not. So which one is right for you? If you're just starting out or rebuilding credit, a secured card can be a great tool. If your credit is already established, an unsecured card may offer you better benefits. Remember, whichever card you choose, being a good steward of your finances is key. The Bible encourages us in 1 Peter 4:10. Each of you should use whatever gift you have received to serve others as faithful stewards of God's grace in its various forms. So use your credit wisely and honor God with your financial choices. If you found this video helpful, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know any questions you have in the comments below. Also, please remember, I am not a tax or financial professional. I'm just a regular person telling you some tips I've learned. As always, God bless you and keep the faith.